If your iPhone suddenly won't let you delete apps, don't panic. It is not a bug. It's actually a hidden iPhone feature that most users don't even know exists. A lot of iPhone users think the iPhone is broken because when they try to delete an app, it only removes it from the home screen, but the app is still there. Let me show you exactly why this happens and how you can use it to your advantage. First, go to the settings. Then tap Screen Time. Scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned on. Now tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Here, tap Deleting Apps. If this is set to Don't Allow, your iPhone will not let you fully delete apps. Watch this. Now, tap and hold an app. I tap Remove App, but notice there is no Delete App option. If I remove it from the home screen and check the app library, it's still there. Even if I search for it, the app still exists. And it gets even more interesting. Even if I go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, scroll through the app list. Normally, this is where you can delete any app. But look, the Delete App button is completely gone. So there is literally no way to delete the app from anywhere on the iPhone. To fully delete apps again, just go back to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then iTunes and App Store Purchases and tap on Deleting Apps and set it back to Allow. Now, here is the part most people miss. This is not just a problem, it's a solution. If you give your iPhone to kids, family members, or anyone else, they cannot delete your apps even by accident. Your important apps stay safe. No reinstalling, no missing apps, no stress. This is one of those hidden iPhone features Apple never really talks about. And I guarantee most iPhone users watching this did not know it existed. If this helped you, hit like so more iPhone users see this. Follow or subscribe for daily iPhone tips you won't find anywhere else. Your iPhone does way more than you think.